Okay, got my fingers covered and I feel a lot better. So, what was going on with your fob?
I don't know. I'll figure it out here in a little bit. Might be just all the electronic stuff I got wet.
Oh.
Might be the battery's dead in the fob.
Yeah.
She's a turny. She's a twisty.
Yeah, and we're still getting some sleet. I still see blue sky up there. Maybe it'll clear up. Oh, look.
Pretty river.
Oh, pretty.
Ta-da!
Pretty. Oh, wow.
Oh, there's a good one.
Watch out for this big monster.
Yeah, I'm getting to the other side. Looks like
There's
a
another
wagon
monster.
train. Yeah, land maggot.
I think I'm going down to second. I don't
That's
know.
what I did. I'm in second.
I'm afraid to really go too fast on this road right now because of the sleet. Damn, this is...
I thought it was your fingers.
Huh?
Nothing.
Yeah, well, my fingers were frozen. I couldn't feel the... I was getting to where I couldn't hold the clutch in real good.
Last time to take pictures.
Huh?
It has an actual concrete turnout.
What?
Yeah. This is the place we stopped at last time to take.
Yeah, well, you're going out around these curves because you're going way ahead of me.
Oh, sorry.
It's alright. I don't want it to stop this time.
This one's 15, so.
Oh my gosh, look at this. Wowie. Ooh-wee. Jeez.
Yeah, see, they have a nice little concrete pull-out up there.
We do, don't they?
Yeah. You know, I think I'm really getting caught up on my hydration today. Riding without a windscreen or wind face or whatever on my helmet. It's like, I'm probably drinking.
Yeah.
I probably drank about 2 glasses of water since we left Silverton.
Yeah.
That doesn't include from Durango to Silverton.
I'm thirsty right now, actually.
Just lift up your face shield and open your mouth.
It's too cold. I'm glad I put these gloves on. I feel a lot better. My fingers felt like they were getting frostbite.
Still tingly.
I mean, it is 51 degrees right now, which when you're riding on the bike is more like 41 or something like that.
This is the only time I ever think about getting a full face helmet. But I love the smell of everything. That's why I don't like it.
Yeah.
And the wind. I like the wind in my face.
Well, I have this 3/4 helmet, and I'm getting rained on. It's coming up from the bottom.
I forgot to shut my vent.
I didn't shut mine either. Oh, well.
I just shut them.
I'm not feeling any rain coming through.
I wasn't either, but I was like, what's going on up there? Yeah, I think we're going to ride out of this rain here pretty soon.
I see blue sky. We were at 9,300 feet above sea level in Silverton.
We went even higher than that going over the mountains.
Yeah. I wish I knew how high.
Well, I know why they're remarking this highway, because I can't, now that it's wet, I can't see the damn yellow line.
Yeah.
Maybe it's all the rainwater on my glasses, too, I don't know.
Yeah. I can't really either.
Where's the damn highway strippers when you need them? Oh, well, I guess they can't paint the rain.
They got to leave work early today.
Yeah. What's the last check-in for that place we're going to?
Do what? I'm sorry.
What's the latest we can check in at that place we're going to?
We just park in the parking lot and go straight to our tent.
Oh, we don't have to check in?
Nope.
Oh. So we could get there at midnight, they wouldn't care.
Well, I sent her a message anyway to let her know that we may be even later. We hit some weather. So...
back to the twisty bits.
You know, I love curves. I just, in the rain though, not
so much, yeah.
Not so much, yeah.
I really like curves when it's dry. I just don't get a warm, fuzzy feeling rolling around when it's all wet.
And when you have
or
sleet,
snowy.
You have sleet pellets bouncing off your
well, yeah,
your face shield is not encouraging.
15 miles. We're only doing 35. I'm sure that's...
I did 25 around that one.